Hello viewers, welcome to our channel HandsOn IT. This is Shanmuga. In this video, I am going to explain what is Linux and why Linux is used for your IT career and what are the important things we need to know about Linux. I will explain in this video. Let's start the video. Many people think Linux is only for hackers or programmers. But did you know almost every company servers runs on Linux? In this video, I will explain what Linux really is and why companies prefer Linux servers. If you are a fresher or working professional in IT, this video is very important for you. What is Linux? Linux is an operating system, just like Windows, but Linux is mainly used for servers, cloud, and enterprise systems. Whenever you open a website or make a payment or use an app, most of the backend is running on Linux. Example, you can say websites, databases, banking systems, cloud servers. So Linux is not optional in IT anymore. Why companies use Linux? Now let's understand why companies prefer Linux instead of Windows. Free and open source. Linux is open source. Companies don't need to pay license cost. And coming to stability, Linux servers can run for months or years without restart. So without patch also you can run for months or years. Most of the times there is going to be no security issues. Linux is more secure and less affected by viruses. To hack a Linux servers, it will be very difficult for a hacker. Why? Because of its structure. Linux can handle high traffic and heavy load. So Linux on the Linux platform, applications can run smoothly and without heavy load. Linux works best with automation, cloud, and DevOps tools. Real world example. In my real IT experience, almost every production server I worked on was Linux based. Even if applications are written in Java, Python, or PHP, they always run on Linux servers. That's why Linux knowledge is more mandatory for IT jobs today. Who should learn Linux? Linux is important for freshers who are entering in IT and support engineers, cloud and DevOps learners, system administrators. In these roles, you can get a opportunity to work on Linux servers, Linux services. If your goal is growth in IT, Linux is a must skill. What this channel will teach? In this channel, I will teach Linux, cloud, and DevOps using real world examples. No theory, only practical explanation. And I will show real server issues and how they are solved. Linux is backbone of IT infrastructure. If you understand Linux, your career becomes strong. If this video helps you, please subscribe to HandsOn IT channel. In the next video, I will show you all the Linux practicals with the hands-on labs and all the issues which we faced in our production servers and tips and guidance on production troubleshooting Linux issues. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.